Introduce highlight features and overview summary of Wireless Doorbell, Amicoson Waterproof Doorbell Chime Kit Alarm. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features or overview summary are included. Amicoson Doorbell Chime features 56 chimes and 7-level adjustable volume, 0 to 115 decibel, with night light function. It meets your different needs. Setting different ringtones for different receivers can let you know which door the visitor is at. LED flashing lights with audio alert indicators, which is easy for people including the hearing impaired to notice. Just plug the receiver into a socket, mount the doorbell transmitter on the wall or anywhere you want via double-sided tape or screws. The wireless door chime has been matched before shipment. All the required accessories are included in the package for an effortless installation. Doorbell Kits Wireless has stylish modern design in classic black. Excellent materials keeps itself from getting higher temperature and interference. IP55 dustproof and waterproof, withstand various harsh weather conditions, works between 14 to 122 degrees Fahrenheit, suitable for any home, townhouse, apartment, office, school, hospital, hotel, and more. Operating range up to 1,000 feet 300 meters in an open area when there are no obstructions. Higher penetration without worrying about signal obstruction, ensures you will never miss a visitor, even if you are a few rooms away or on another floor. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.